What's up, guys? John from JohnMcNeil.com here. I wanted to ask you guys a question, and I wanted to know if you were interested in learning an easy, simple way to generating $100 a day without having some huge email list, without uploading videos to YouTube, without blogging or doing some sort of crazy SEO. Just a simple method so that you could passively generate $100 a day. Now, if that's something that you're interested in, you definitely want to pay close attention to this video, because I'm going to show you how I'm able to generate, just in one of my affiliate accounts, $100 a day just passively without even mailing my email list, without even uploading a video. And this happens day after day after day after day because of these simple little sites that I put together that generate this income for me, and it just comes in on autopilot, and I literally don't even touch it. I just watch the commissions come in. So what I want to do now is I want to actually show you the process and the steps that I actually take in order to generate these commissions and how you can actually do it too. So we're starting right now. All right, guys, John from JohnMcNeil.com here. So we're going to jump right into this video. So what I want to show you guys today is what I've done and what I've put in place in my business to kind of generate, passive, easy $100 a day commissions in my business. Now, what I want you guys to understand is that these commissions that come in are separate from, when I do like major promotions to my list, or if I'm doing like a major promotion on my YouTube channel, or like coaching clients, I get revenue from that. So this is just basically like, I call it micro payments, just passive $100 a day commissions that literally come in. Sometimes they're more than $100, sometimes they're a little less than $100, but on average, I'm generating $100 a day with literally like not even batting an eye, right? So this is what I basically set up in my business. And what it is I built like a couple different sales funnels, and they're like basic sales funnels. They're nothing crazy. And what I do basically on a monthly basis is I find somebody, a qualified person, to send me some traffic to a squeeze page, right? So I have about 2 funnels that I like to use on a consistent basis. And I have this person send me some traffic to this squeeze page, right? And then this squeeze page will basically give a promise or benefit, and it'll say, give me your name and email address. And with that, I'm going to give you more information. So they actually opt in to get a lead magnet. So I'll either provide them with a report, or I'll provide them with some sort of video content that is going to help them solve a problem or get them closer to a solution that they're trying to solve. Now, once I built up some value here, I then pitched them an affiliate product that is going to help them, again, solve that problem or get them even closer to their desired result. So once they've hit the affiliate product, they have the option to purchase, and then some will buy, some won't. Either way, they're going to go into what we call our autoresponder, and they start going into an autoresponder campaign. So then they will receive email 1, email 2, email 3, email 4 through 100. So what I've set up here is basically a system where the traffic comes in, they go to a squeeze page. So I'm now building my list. I'm giving them some content initially, and then I, recommend a product or a service to have them buy it. So some are going to buy here, some aren't. But the good thing is they're in my follow-up email series, and now I can actually communicate with them routinely, but I'm not actually, sitting on the computer manually typing out emails. All of this is already set up for me. And what I've done is I've just created this kind of a massive follow-up series so that they're not only getting, promotions from me, but they're also getting, value. So I'm sending them, video content. I'm sending them valuable information on a routine basis that will help them in their online business. And then with those content pieces, I tend to recommend products and services that are going to help them down the line. And that's really all it is, guys. I mean, it's that simple in terms of just kind of putting a system together that can actually generate these $100 a day, because, every single day, somebody receives an email and they buy a product. the lead may actually not buy a product until like day 15 or day 20 or day 30. The fact is as long as they're on my email list, they have the opportunity to actually purchase from me. And that's what you guys need to have in your business. Now, you have basically two choices. You can actually do it yourself, or you can have it done for you. So for me, when I first started out, I kind of did both because I wanted to learn how to do all of this stuff myself. Like I wanted to learn how to do this myself. And I wanted to basically have a done for you system so that I had something that I can go ahead and start marketing so that I can actually start, learning while I was earning. Because here's the thing about this whole system. Although it does sound very simple in nature, there's certain things that you need to know in each one of these components that will be vital into you making the $100 a day. First of all, you got to know where to get good quality traffic from. Second of all, you need to have a good headline that's going to give you a 40 to 50% opt-in rate. So you can go out and try to do this yourself without getting education or, sometimes just watching videos on YouTube, and you could be spending a lot of money here, but not getting the proper opt-in rate here, which is going to lead to, the commission rate that's going to not only help you break even or make money, but going to give you an ROI. And then you have to know how to put together a lead magnet, whether you have the expertise to do it yourself, or you take some maybe private label rights content and you rearrange it or modify it to make it original. And then you need to know how to pick high converting products. And then when you get to email marketing, that's a whole nother learning process because you got to know how to get people to open up your emails. So you got to have a good subject line, you got to have a good hook, you got to have the right body, you got to have the right closing, and you got to get people to click on your links, because if they don't click on your links, you won't make any money. What I suggest for you guys is I'm going to recommend two different things for you, right? So the do-it-yourself method, I'm going to recommend you the course that I actually went through this year that I recommend anyone takes. And it's really good. And I believe it's only I think it's like $16 or something like that. And the done for you method, I'm going to give you guys a system that is actually free of charge that you guys can actually plug into and start generating affiliate commissions with right away. And it gives you a high converting squeeze page. It gives you all the sales pages. It gives you the, the lead magnets, and it gives you the products, and it gives you the ability to, sell other affiliate products within that system, as well as it gives you all the follow-up emails with all the content and everything like that. And it also teaches you how to drive traffic. So while you're learning and you're using that system and you're just plugging traffic into that system and making commissions, I suggest that you go ahead and learn how to do all of this stuff yourself, because you want to be able to, at some point, brand yourself, have your own little funnel. The two things that I'm going to recommend for you guys are this. So for the do-it-yourself method, I'm going to recommend, again, I've recommended this product probably 2 times before on this channel, and it's called Auto Profits Daily. And basically what it does is it walks you through everything that we just talked about. It's going to walk you through, paid and free traffic strategies. It's going to talk to you how to get a high converting opt-in rate for your squeeze page. It's going to show you how to get lead magnets created. It's going to show you how to, write emails that actually people open up and people click. It has everything in this one little system, and it's phenomenal. I can't recommend it any higher. It's great. It shows you all about how to set up your autoresponder. Everything is in this system. So if you're just beginning and your goal is to make $100 a day and you want to learn how to do this stuff yourself, I highly recommend you get this course. Highly recommend. The other thing I'm going to give you guys, and this is another system that you guys can actually plug into for free. There is some upgrade options, but you can actually plug into this system for free, and it's going to give you all that stuff. It's going to give you the funnels. It's going to give it to you, and it's going to give you all of this training that you have in here that you can actually start learning about how to do affiliate marketing the right way. It's going to show you how to create a blog. It's going to show you how to get traffic. It's going to show you email marketing. It shows you so much stuff. And then you can go ahead and start marketing this system, sending traffic to this system once you get it all set up. And then while you're doing that on the side, you can be, learning how to do, all of this stuff for yourself and setting up your own funnels so that, you can generate, these $100 passive days just all by yourself. You don't have to rely on any system or anybody else. You can just do this as I've done. And that's what I want you guys to do for yourself. So again, I'm not just trying to pitch you guys anything. The reality of the situation is this. You're not going to learn everything you need to learn watching YouTube videos, right? It's just not possible. And no one on YouTube is going to explain to you in-depthly how to become an affiliate marketer overnight. But you have to take some time. You have to invest in yourself. And if you're not willing to do that, then maybe affiliate marketing isn't for you. But if this is something that you really want to do, I highly suggest that you guys get educated. You plug into these systems. I'm going to have links at the bottom of in the description in this video, and you just get started and you work hard. And I know that this can be a reality for you guys if you stay focused and work at it every single day. So this is John from johnmcneil.com. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that like button if you did, and make sure you subscribe to the channel by clicking on that little blue John McNeil icon. And we will see you guys in the next video. Peace.